যখন ডিপার্টমেন্টে প্রথম এসেছিলাম তখন জানতাম না কেমিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং দিয়ে হয়টা কি, ভেবেছিলাম হয়তো শুধু তেলের রিফাইনারিতে কাজে লাগে। বাট দ্য টাইম ওয়েন আই লিভ কেমিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং অর মেবি স্টেপ ইনটু আ নিউ ওয়ার্ল্ড, এখন জানতে পারছি কেমিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং দিয়ে কি হয় না।
The Chemical Engineering Department of JADAVPUR University was established in the year 1921, the oldest of its kind in Asia. As you know that the freedom fighters of our country at that time was interested in imparting technical education in line with the national education policy being pursued by our nationalist movement. As a result of that, the Chemical Engineering Department of JADAVPUR University was established. During that time, many new laboratories were set up, particularly for producing different chemicals which were being used by the citizens of Kolkata and particularly West Bengal. Later on, in the 1955, when the JADAVPUR University was transformed into a university, the Chemical Engineering Department grew at a faster rate. Since then, the syllabus, the curricula has been modified many times in line with the recent development of science and technology around the globe. And now we have in the department very sophisticated laboratory. We have altogether 7-8 laboratories apart from the 5-6 research laboratories in the department.
In terms of the research output, our department has been ranked at the number 1 position for the 5 years duration during 2009 to 2014, which is based on the total number of publications, and this ranking is based on all the departments, on all the 37 departments situated at the JADAVPUR University.
এখানে আমরা যেসব প্রজেক্টস করি সেসব প্রজেক্টস ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোলাবোরেটেড প্রজেক্টস বেশিরভাগই। তাছাড়া এই প্রজেক্টসগুলো ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল ইম্পর্টেন্স রয়েছে খুব হাই।
এখানে সবচেয়ে ভালো ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে এখানে খুব স্বাধীনভাবে কাজ করার একটা সুবিধা পাওয়া যায়, আর নিজের চিন্তাভাবনাটাকে টিচারদের সামনে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করার একটা স্পেস থাকে।
কাজের স্ফিয়ারটা অনেকটা বড় এবং আমরা অনেক রকম সাবজেক্টের ওপর কাজ করতে পারি, বিভিন্ন রকম ফিল্ডে আমরা এখানে কাজ করতে পারি।
আর টিচাররা তো এটা তো বলার অপেক্ষাই রাখে না, টিচাররা ভীষণ কোঅপারেটিভ, এখানে স্টুডেন্টদের সাথে ভীষণ ফ্রেন্ডলি, ভীষণ কোঅপারেটিভ সব ব্যাপারে। স্টুডেন্ট আর টিচারদের মধ্যে সেই ডিস্টেন্সটা নেই, যার কারণে এখানে রিসার্চ ওয়ার্কটা এত বেশি ডেভেলপ করছে প্রতিদিন, ডে বাই ডে।
প্রচুর রিসার্চ অপরচুনিটি আছে, জেনারেলি অন্য জায়গায় বিটেক স্টুডেন্টদের দেওয়া হয় না, বাট আওয়ার ডিপার্টমেন্ট ইজ স্পেশালাইজড ইন দিস when we get ample amount of opportunity to work in the area that we would like to do: nanotechnology, membrane separation, biofields, energy field and what not.
এখানে আমরা কাজের ভেরিয়েশনটাও খুব এনজয় করি।
I passed out from Chemical Engineering Department probably about 23 years back, and although I don't live in India anymore, but I have worked in many organizations in India for quite some time, and what I've seen that the JADAVPUR University has a tremendous reputation. Wherever I've gone, people know about JADAVPUR University Chemical Engineering Department just by the name.
Presently, we are having the Indo-Norwegian collaboration project funded in India by the UGC, that is the University Grants Commission.
I'm Jansu. I'm coming from Norway. I'm a PhD student at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology in Chemical Engineering Department, and I came here for a research visit.
The collaboration is focusing on a new type of biofuel that has not been produced till now.
So the project title is butyl butyrate production from lignocellulose derived sugars, Ecolodge. And the part done in here is the pre-treatment and enzymatic hydrolysis of the lignocellulosic biomass. And from then we take the rest in Norway from fermentation and separation of the products. And so I came here to learn more about the part done in here, enzymatic hydrolysis and pre-treatment.
And after 1 month, I will go to Trondheim, Norway to see what kind of work they are doing in their lab.
Enabling us to transfer know-how, exchange knowledge between two countries.
Our faculty members are having foreign collaboration with Australia as well as France, then Belgium, Germany, Italy, Spain, as well as in some other countries in South Asia like the Singapore and the South Korea.
It has gifted me with excellent internship which I wanted throughout my life. প্রথমবার বিদেশে গেছি ডিপার্টমেন্টের থ্রু দিয়ে and সত্যি this is quite unbelievable for me, for somebody who comes from suburban.
The ambience of this chemical engineering department and the campus led me towards the overall personal development. Today I feel myself confident delivering lectures in front of hundreds of people.
Be the HOD, be our teachers, everyone is very good. Like they have a very good detail about the topic.
For the last 3 years, I've made some amazing friends. There have been some amazing teachers who have taught us.
Say for example, the microporous membranes, the homogeneous membranes, the asymmetric membranes. Microporous membranes are basically contains a lot of pores. So it is basically homogeneous in that particular respect, as shown in this particular diagram.
This is one of those classrooms where I've spent the best 4 years of my life. This is one of those classrooms where the teachers encouraged us to think out of the box, and I apply them in my professional life as well as in my personal life, and it helps me a lot. It makes a huge difference.
The library has a good amount of collection of the books related to our courses. The environment is such that we want to come here and read.
আমাদের এই ডিপার্টমেন্টাল লাইব্রেরিটি টোটালটাই হচ্ছে ডিজিটাইজড, সমস্ত বই কম্পিউটারাইজড আছে, যেটা অন্য কোনো ডিপার্টমেন্টে নেই। আর আমরা নতুন একটা কাজ করছি, পুরনো যেসব জার্নালস আছে সেগুলো আমরা টোটালটাই ডিজিটাইজ করে রাখছি, যে কেউ চাইলে আমরা সিডির মাধ্যমে তাকে প্রোভাইড করতে পারবো।
In recent past, DST Government of India, they have assessed the performance of all the educational institutions in our country in terms of number of research publication, citation index, number of active researchers in the university, etc. The chemical engineering department of JADAVPUR University is the rank is first among all the educational institutions we have in the country in terms of number of paper produced per active researcher.
Or whenever I go a few years from now, everything that I do will be credited to this department. This has taught me way more things apart from engineering.
Chemical engineering এর সাথে শুধু chemical engineering শিখিনি, গেছি ঝিলপাড়ে। We have got OAT, we have got our staff canteen, excellent seniors.
The terrace where we discussed about many topics, the these and current topics, over innumerable cups of tea and coffee. This is the terrace where I made so many friends with whom I'm still in touch. This is the reason I always come back to this department whenever I'm in town.
This is true that I did not know exactly where I should have landed, but department today gives me an objective of living my life with my full ability.